Good afternoon. It is 3:39 Eastern time and I'm just going to recap my trading for today. Not a bad green day. It wasn't a big green day, I only took one trade and FOMC kind of left the market with lower volume, which you can see quite clearly down there, hardly any volume coming until today. And if you compare the volume over the last few days with last week, so this is Friday's volume, we're looking at the hourly chart on the MES here, and then we had kind of a little bit less volume, even less volume, and then this morning at the open, even less volume. And you can see over here on the daily chart, you've got decline in volume. So obviously something was waiting for today. Interestingly as well, look at this, we've got this big wide range bar on the daily, which is not a massive wide range day, you know, it's not as much as we had yesterday, and we've got still reducing volume, so I'm still not convinced we're going to see a big push up. But you know, it is what it is. FOMC had a nice, looks like it had a bit of a bullish reaction, putting new all-time highs today as well. So let's just go over my trading. I'll keep my chart open. Ignore this big white button. I'm doing some coding. I'm creating a series of functions which I can have on my chart trader, such as a flatten all button, and also I'm looking to have a lock button so that once I get over a certain threshold or taking a certain amount of trades, or if I've had 2 or 3 bad trades in a row, then I can hit the lock button and it won't let me trade again for the rest of the day. So I'm just working on that right now, but only because let's just go over yesterday's trade. That's the reason I'm kind of creating this button for. I want to get better at my risk management. Yesterday was a terrible day. I was trying to catch all the levels. I had about 4 levels I identified, and I tried going short several times. I went short here, and I actually did take profit at some point, and that was fine. And then I tried going short here, and again it was in the green for most of the trade. But then I took a stop, and you see all my stops came out here. Then I tried another short here, and I added to the short when it came back up, and it stopped me out a few times, and that gave me, I should have quit at this point. That's all my levels now shorted. And again, I saw that it went in my direction, so I think I went long here. Then you can see my long entry, and I got out back up here. So there's a few little winning trades, lots of little paper cuts. Then I tried another short, and that didn't work out too well. I think I stopped out over here. I kept it all really tight, and lots of paper cuts, and it wasn't a very good day really. And then I tried, and then around about 3:30 I tried another short. I was away for some of it, and you can see I took a short here, and you know, in fact I went long here, if I remember rightly. I went long. No, I didn't. I went long there, and I took out some profit there. I was trying to scalp it into the high, and then I tried another short, a few more shorts, took a little bit out, but it wasn't really a great day. And so I thought, you know what, if I hit a button on my thing when I've had my 2 or 3 trades, or it tells me to hit the button, you know, or it also locks me out, and it won't stop me from trading for the rest of the day, because I was just taking needless, stupid trades, and there was no plan, there was no preparation. I was just trying to scalp it because it was just a hard, choppy day. So that was yesterday. This is today. My only trade of the day was this level here, coming to yesterday's. I think it was yesterday's level from yesterday. And if I just open up this is my hourly chart on Team Trading View, and it came right up today into this area of demand. There's a double top, and I had two goals, and I had 2 plans in mind. I was either going to do a break and retest a pre-market high, or I was going to reject it, and that was my hit because we're up in this area of demand. I really wanted to get the rejection around 52.50 area. Obviously FOMC kind of blasted its way through that, so didn't really get that level, but I was watching this pre-market high and yesterday's high. That's the area I was watching for a rejection, and that's what I took. So going into back to this chart, I went short there. I think I got out at that point there. That was my 3R target, and then it came back, and I stopped myself out of break even just there, and it would have gone to 5R. I could have got 5R out of it. My stop was always above that area there, so it would have never, ignore the arrow, it would have never stopped me out. But today with FOMC, I just want to play on the safe side. So it's a green day, and on my Apex I've got 20 Apex accounts. So a small green day spread over 20 accounts is a decent green day. So even though I say it's a small day, it was not a bad day. That's it really. We had FOMC here. I did a few test transactions on my sim account as well. Well, I was just testing out this button, the flatten button, which I'm still coding right now. But that's it. We've got levels for tomorrow. What have we got for tomorrow? Why is it not? Here we go. So we can watch this level tomorrow, which is the pullback to the previous all-time high, and then we've got these levels. Yeah, that's the only level to watch really. Or if we get back down to this area, so previous all-time high was 52.50. So watch out for a bounce tomorrow. If we might even go through that, or we can watch for a bounce down here at 51.90. So that's kind of what we was watching today, and that's it. Nothing else, and that's it. Hopefully you've had a good day trading, and I will be back tomorrow for the live pre-market video. I'll go through these levels. I'll keep that on there. We could keep an eye on that. So, and then we go through where we could get some trades today. So today, a decent day. Patience. Literally sat on hands almost all day, apart from that one trade I took. Okay, thank you for watching.